Hello and welcome to the RN to BSN Online Completion Program. My name is Cheryl Hinojosa. I'm the Director of Nursing. You will find my email and phone number on this slide. Please, if you have any questions or concerns, email or call another student or me. Do not fret over anything for over an hour, because fear is the mind killer and it will prevent you from being productive. Each of you should have received an RN to BSN Handbook in the mail. I will speak about some highlights, but you should become familiar with its contents. If you need to access another copy, it can be found on My DC. Go to the main website, go to Academics, Majors and Minors, then scroll down to the RN Nursing RN to BSN, and halfway down the page is the RN to BSN Student Handbook. You might also know that the RN to BSN Preceptor Guide can also be accessed at this time. We, however, will be talking about the RN to BSN Handbook. Once you have accessed the RN to BSN Student Handbook, turn to page 6, where you will see the nursing model. Our nursing program's mission, vision, and philosophy build upon the foundation of DC's 4 pillars: to know, to understand, to lead, and to serve. Students, by inquiring, caring, engaging, and taking courses, will provide the building blocks. Coupled with your experiences, our ultimate goal is global health, which is rooted in the richness of the liberal arts and holistic care. Please turn now to page 19. Our curriculum is guided by the 9 Essentials of American Association of the Colleges of Nursing. We are accredited by CCNE, the Commission on Collegiate Nursing Education. Defiance College offers a liberal arts education with 16 general education requirements that must be met. Turn now to page 25 and 26 of your handbook. The 24 credit hours of the nursing major are listed with their course descriptions. You will need at least 30 residency hours at Defiance College and 120 total credit hours to earn your bachelor's degree. You must maintain a C or better in all courses and a GPA of 2.5 to attain your BSN degree. On page 29, there's a section that deals with academic advising. I, Cheryl, will be your first advisor, and Heidi DeSoto will be the backup advisor. If you are planning on seeking an advanced degree, please make an appointment with Bridget Winslow, our Dean of Health and Wellness. On page 31 begins the clinical policies. Please make yourself familiar with all policies before starting Nursing 476, your community clinical, and Nursing 498, your leadership capstone. On page 47, the section on services and resources at Defiance College is available to you as a student. Please make use of them. Also, please watch the videos prepared by some of these services and read the handouts sent to you in the mail. On page 51, you will see the Student Code of Conduct and Policies. Here you will find the Title IX, FERPA rights, how to withhold directory information, and I would like to discuss our late assignment policy. These classes move very quickly, so do not get behind. Therefore, we do not accept late assignments unless you notify the professor before the due date and make arrangements for completion. Also, if you do not notify the professor beforehand and the assignment is late, day 1 is a 10% docking, day 2, 20% docked, day 3, you receive an F for the assignment. This is our academic dishonesty policy. Academic dishonesty is defined as cheating, plagiarism, or lying. You are a professional, and these behaviors will hurt you and others, and therefore the procedure for these offenses are taken seriously and are outlined in your handbook. Since our program is online, the Code of Conduct is defined in our netiquette policy, which is found on page 56. And under the student resources on your Moodle page for your courses. Improper use of online communication can end up in a verbal, written warning, or dismissal from the program. On page 57, you have academic guidelines and policies, which are self-explanatory. Please take some time and peruse these policies on your own. On page 62, 63, 64, we have compiled a directory with names, emails, and locations as helpful contacts to aid you in your journey. Once again, we welcome you and look forward to working with each of you towards your goal of attaining your BSN. Thank you.